Hoping against hope to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our confidence-related idiom for today is hoping against hope. Now, this is an idiom that comes from the Bible, Romans 4:18, and it refers to St. Paul is talking about Abraham and Sarah and how their life is going to turn out. And it says something to the effect of, and I'm going to grab my magnifying glass so I get it right. Romans 4:18, it says, who against hope believed in hope. So hoping against hope that something will happen. Wanting, wishing, hoping something will happen when there's really little reason to believe that it will. And we probably really don't trust or believe that it's even possible. But it's the whole, it's remotely possible if there's any glimmer of hope of something happening or any small possibility of something happening. That's what hoping against hope means. Now, I probably will talk a minute about hope and my personal thoughts and feelings about the word hope, and what hope means to each of us is slightly different. But to me, hope means that something is unlikely to happen. I like to take the opposite effect, and when I say, I hope you have a great day, I really want you to have a great day. And I think that's the difference. I think most of us look and hear the word hope, and it's kind of like a wish or a want. It's not really a goal or objective or something we're going after. It's not something we're choosing, deciding, committing to, or taking action on. It's just a whimsical, oh, wouldn't it be nice if I won the lottery? Wouldn't it be nice if my business supersized on its own? Wouldn't it be nice if fill in the blank for you? But it doesn't mean we're super confident it's going to happen. This was actually first recorded as an idiom in 1813, and I think it's a good idiom because it describes how a lot of us think. I suspect that we use this more often when we expect things to not happen good, but we are afraid or suspect they will happen bad. I think as humans we tend to hope bad things don't happen more than we anticipate, expect, or choose to have good things happen to us. I think it's just human nature. A lot of our world and the media and our experiences are focused on the negative. Think about going to school. You go to school and teachers sometimes put the number that you got right, but a lot of times you see those big red checks or circles in red or another outstanding color that shows you everything that you did wrong. And when we're focusing on what we do wrong, what happens? We get more of it. So we want to focus on the things that we do right. So I guess I have a couple questions today. Are you hoping that your business will supersize and grow, or are you choosing, deciding, committing, and taking action to make sure that your business grows and you're creating what you want to see in the world? Are you I'm curious, what are you hoping for in your business, and then what are you creating in your business? I think creating is a much stronger approach to how we build something, how we grow something, how we create our life, than hoping we have a good life. I mean, I don't think I've hoped I'll have a good life in a long time, but I'm definitely every day taking steps to create the life and the businesses that I want. So share in the comments below something you're hoping for your business, or something you've decided you're going to create in your business. Love to know your experience with this particular expression and how you feel about the word hope, what it means to you. All right, have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom for this one. Have a great day.